Let's have a look at dashboard user permissions. There are 3 levels. Dashboard viewers can view content in the default dashboards and general folders, view content in any folder where a viewer role permission has been set, and any folder with an appropriate user level permission, and view playlists. Dashboard editors can do everything that viewers can do. In addition, they can create personal folders in order to provide a space to create and test dashboards outside of the general folder. They can edit content in the general folder and in those personal folders. They can move content from any folder where they have edit permissions into the general folder, and they can create and edit playlists. The third level is the admin user. Admin users can view, create, edit, move and delete folders, dashboards and playlists. They can manage permissions on folders and dashboards. The only restriction is that they cannot edit the default dashboards folder or its content. So how do we create and configure a dashboard user? First, we'll create the admin user. So in Admin Tool, User Profile and Grouping, Add and Edit Users. I'll enter a name, click Add, and now configure the user and assign the isAdmin role, and then save. So here I'm logged into the server as the new user, and you can see that the user has no access to anything. So let's give them full access to the network and reports. I select Groups to an entity, set the entity type to user, select my new user, and then assign all groups. Okay, so refresh, and that's it. The user is already a dashboard admin, and we're done. As with elsewhere in the product, the admin user can see everything and has power to control and modify everything. Next, we'll look at the dashboard viewer. Let's take our admin user and remove the admin role. Save, and return to dashboards. Now, they've only got access to the general and default folders, and they can view but not edit the content. They can also run playlists. But if the playlist contains a dashboard that they don't have access to view, then the playlist will display an alert in its place for that specific dashboard. So if you're running a dashboard playlist on a NOC, then make a NOC user account and give them permission to view everything that they need. Viewers do not have access to any content outside of these folders unless specified at both the folder and the dashboard level, and we'll look at how to go about assigning those permissions as we turn our dashboard viewer into a dashboard editor. Now, to flag the account as an editor, I'll jump back in as our admin account and return to the admin tool, reporting and scheduling, console options. I'm going to select our user and set an override making them an editor. As you can see here, you can also set the defaults. So logging in as that user once again, we see that now the user has access to the content that was tagged for viewers and any content tagged for editors. In addition, they can create dashboards and folders and then edit content in those folders. Back as our admin account, we can update permissions on this admin only folder. I can assign permissions for all viewers or all editors. So let's say all editors can view the folder. Now, the folder level permissions are inherited by every dashboard in the folder. So I'll jump into this dashboard, go to settings and select permissions. And we can see the inherited permissions. Now what I'll do is I'll add a user level permission for our new editor, giving them edit rights to this dashboard. Log back in as that editor, we can now see the folder and its content and can edit the dashboard that we assigned the user level override to. Okay, that's a quick look at dashboard users and how they work with the system, folder and dashboard level permissions.